Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread crumble cookies. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of cornmeal for the base. Also, prepare half a cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar for sweetness. Make sure you have 2 large eggs, half a cup of softened butter, and half a cup of milk. Finally, grab 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt to complete your cookie dough. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and both sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing well after each addition. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, cornmeal, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, alternating with the milk until just combined. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a cookie scoop, drop rounded portions of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown and the centers are set. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. To finish these delicious cookies, let's make a sweet honey glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of honey and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue mixing until your glaze is smooth and has a nice, pourable consistency. Once your cookies are completely cooled, generously drizzle this delightful honey glaze over each one for that perfect touch of sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.